Congress MLA for Gambegre, Saleng has lamented that the MLAs, especially those from the opposition, were not being given adequate time to speak in the House. Reacting to the Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma's decision to adjourn the House at 12 noon, despite appeals for extension of time, Saleng admitted that MLAs were being given around 10 minutes only, which end up in the introduction itself. According to Sangma, the MLAs are public representatives and it is their right to express public grievances on the floor of the House.
10 minutes for each MLA is very, very less. Whereas even you cannot express, it ends up with introduction itself. And then moreover, expressing the public grievances within the house. So, like even the time is very short. Now private membership bill is very, very less. And then moreover they did not extend. So it's very true whatever the others have said. It's very true. We should have given ample time to discuss the grievances, the problems, all the whatever the society requires actually, because we represent public.